Well, Phil, huge congratulations to you. I mean, that was an end-to-end game of football, 2 excellent Wrecsam goals. How do you assess that one?
I'm just so proud of the boys tonight. Difficult conditions. Mansfield are a very good team, but some of the football first half, in particular, the chances we created was right out the top drawer. We've hit the bar. We've had a couple of 1v1s and we couldn't get that second goal. A couple of penalty appeals. I thought the ref gave us very little on the night, but we stood strong together as a team, and that is a colossus victory for us tonight. I said to the lads before the game about we've got to respect our club's tradition in the FA Cup with a performance. It doesn't always guarantee a win, but tonight the lads have dug deep and played some great stuff on the back of that as well.
The only disappointment, of course, has got to be that injury to Cannon, a player who's worked so hard to come back into the team.
Exactly, he was brilliant tonight, Andy. It's a dangerous challenge. For me, it's a straight red. The ref got a lot of things wrong on the night, but I said to the lads at half time, don't let the ref's performance affect us. Keep your cool and keep playing. Obviously, so disappointing for Andy because he's been brilliant for us.
You're in the right hat for the next round.
Absolutely.
Many congratulations.
Cheers, thank you.